Once upon a time, the lion became hungry, and he said to the fox, "Bring me something to eat, or I will eat you." The fox went to a donkey and said, "The lion wants to make you king. Come with me." When the lion saw the donkey, it attacked her, cutting off its ears, but the donkey managed to escape. The donkey said to the fox, "You tricked me. The lion tried to kill me." The fox said, "Don't be silly. He removed your ears to place the crown on your head. Let's go back." It made sense to the donkey, so it went back. The lion attacked the donkey again, this time cutting off its tail. The donkey escaped again, saying to the fox, "You are lying. The lion cut off my tail." The fox said, "You only removed your tail, so you can sit comfortably on the throne. Come back with me." The fox convinced the donkey to return again. This time the lion caught the donkey and killed it. "Well done for bringing back the donkey. Now go skin it for me and bring to me its brains, lung, liver and heart." The fox skinned the donkey and ate the donkey's brain but brought its lung, liver and heart to the lion. The lion became angry and asked, "Where is its brain?" The fox replied, "It had no brains, my king. If it had any brains, it would not have returned to you after you cut off its ears and tail." The lion said, "That's very true." Moral: don't be gullible.